husband and I purchased a Naturehike outdoors tent for our backpacking trip this year. We purchased this tent because it was affordable, and we usually only go backpacking once or twice a year. We slept in it last night, and we stayed dry, and we stayed warm. I feel it was very easy to set up. It came in a bag with the directions right in the bag. So if you forget how to set it up, the directions are with you at all times. And then separate compartments for your stakes and your poles. The stakes are really nice. They look like they're wimpy, but they're not. They're pretty sturdy. And they come with this little strap on so you can quickly remove them from the ground. It also comes with a floor print for you to put down and then hook your poles right into it. The stakes go in really easy. Like I said, you just put them in, and then when you want, you just pull them out with that. Everything clips together with these nice little clips here. You can clip the rain fly right on here. And if you don't want to have the actual tent, you can just set the rain fly up with the poles. The poles just go together real nice. They unfold, and you have the system right here, which has these nice little quick releases, and you just twist them and they unfold. And when you want to put this top pole together, it just goes in this little sleeve right here, so it's a quick setup. It's a 3-man tent. My husband and I slept in here with our gear, and we were very comfortable. We stayed warm, we stayed dry, and we enjoyed every minute of it. I would recommend this tent. And your reviews, sir?
I would recommend this tent to beginners and intermediate backpackers. Absolutely. Professionals.
It folds up really small so you can carry it in your backpack.
It cheats on space by the feet, and it only has one door, but it's only weighs 5 pounds 3 ounces, so super carryable, super packable, 5-minute setup. I give it a 9 out of 10 for sure.